Introduction. JavaScript developers often come across tasks dealing with strings. Strings can contain user input or data fetched from a server, which often come with extra white spaces at the beginning or the end. JavaScript Trim method is used to eliminate these unwanted white spaces. What is JavaScript Trim? Trim method in JavaScript removes white space from both ends of a string. Trim method does not change the original string, but returns a new string that has been trimmed of white space. Example, let greeting hello world console log trim output hello world. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Null or undefined values. JavaScript throws a type error if trim method is used on a null or undefined value. Always ensure that the value is a string before using the trim method. Not reassigning the value. Trim method does not modify the original string. If you want to keep the trimmed value, you need to reassign it to a variable. Tips and tricks: chaining trim method with other string methods to perform multiple transformations at once. Example, let greeting equals hello world, greeting equals greeting.trim to lowercase, console.log greeting, output hello world. Use trim start or trim end methods to remove only the leading or trailing white space. Conclusion: trim method is a useful tool in JavaScript for dealing with strings. Understanding how trim method works and its pitfalls can save from potential bugs in your code. Always check the type of your data before using trim, and don't forget to reassign the value if you want to keep the trimmed string.